Next, everyone, what is a conjunction in English? A conjunction is a word that connects ideas in a sentence. It helps us join words, phrases, or even complete sentences so our ideas are clearer and more meaningful. First, let us look at coordinating conjunctions. These join equal ideas. We use words like and, but, or, and, so. For example, I am tired but happy. Here, but connects two equal ideas and shows contrast. So both parts are important, aren't they, everyone? Next, subordinating conjunctions. These connect a main idea with a dependent idea. We use words like because, when, and if. For example, I study because I care. The first part is the main idea, and the second part gives the reason. So one idea depends on the other. So I hope you understand about this part. Now let us learn about correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs. For example, both, and, or either or. In the sentence, both he and I are ready. The words both and work together. So we use both parts, not just one. Okay, everyone? Now take note, everyone. Conjunctions help us show relationships between ideas. They can show addition like and then they also can show about contrast. We use but, and choice you use or, and reason you use because. So remember, conjunctions connect ideas and help us build longer, more meaningful sentences. Without conjunctions, our sentences are short and simple, but with them, our English becomes clearer and more powerful.